Okay, so this is how a Christmas Stollen actually should look like. Teach me how to properly do it.
Ja.
Ja, richtig?
Richtig.
Richtig. Okay, los geht's. This one?
No.
This one?
What?
This one? A little bit of butter. So this is lime particles, and these are orange particles. So and this mix, and that.
Ist Zitronenschale.
Ah, yeah, the skin of the lemon. Yeah. Okay.
Marzipan?
And the really cool part about it that the raisins they're drenched in rum. Ja, echt goed. It's like a little bit like basketball. 2 points. Move it like this, and then you have to like knit it, not kneading, yeah.
Eine, so.
So we're at the final stage of the preparing of the Stollen, and it needs a little bit of butter. So, and if you think you don't have enough butter,
Yes.
you add more butter, and then sugar. Goed. Wow, it's good.